So welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw using a ruler on MS Word. So for that, we just need to open MS Word. Opening it here, I'm just going to create a new blank document. And for drawing using rulers, so on the top you can see here menu options, and here is an option you can see here draw. Click on that, and then here is an option you can see here ruler. Click on that, and then you can see that the ruler has been claimed, and you just need to place it where you want to draw with this rulers. And then from here we can just take the tool that you wanted, and then by choosing the tool you can just draw like this, and you can just draw by changing the drawing tools. And after drawing this you can just remove the ruler by clicking this. So now you can see that you had been drawn using the rulers. So this is how you can draw use rulers on MS Word. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.